Let's start with a surprise update, not for you maybe now that you've heard about it, but I introduced it today and the staff didn't even know. That Dan Bongino is going to have to step outside of his great Rumble show. He's got millions of people every day. There's a big sacrifice involved in this. I mean, the guy's got a TV show like he picked up a lot of Russia's audience. But he's been asked to serve. Sebastian Gorka's been putting pressure on him. I've seen it behind the scenes. Like, come on, Dan, serve your country. Put the microphone aside, Dan, because Sebastian stepped out for his Salem program. These guys, when you're not in office, you do, I guess, commentary on TV. Great news for law enforcement and American justice, President Trump announced. Dan Bongino, a man of incredible love and passion for our country, has been named the next deputy director of the FBI by the man who will be the best ever director, Kash Patel. Kash and Dan are friends. Look at that. Dan, I didn't know this, has a master's degree in psychology from New York, an MBA from Penn State, a member of the New York Policy Department, a highly respected special agent with the United States Secret Service, and now one of the most successful podcasters in the country, something he's willing and prepared to give up in order to serve, working with our great new United States Attorney General Pam Bondi and Director Kash Patel. Fairness, justice, law, and order will be brought back to America quickly. What a fascinating development. Are you, do you keep up with Dan Bongino at all? Are you aware of young millennial who he is?
I don't know if I get my news from Dan Bongino, but I know a lot of people that do. So I'm excited for him. But, man, does that leave a big gap? I mean, he kind of took over for Rush. So where are people going to go now?
Well,
the Lance Wallnau Show, that's where.
Yeah, well, just pray that I'm not put in charge of security.